On today's episode of MotoCheez.
So what's up, guys? I got the Solor battery wireless security camera to review. It is a smart home surveillance camera, remote access via free app. Playback and record is stored on a micro SD card. Enhanced HD night vision, intelligent motion detection, and clear two-way audio. So this is solar powered. You do not have to plug in an external power source because there's a battery inside the camera that the solar panel will charge. All you need is Wi-Fi and the app, and you're ready to go. Included is the camera, the solar panel, the hardware package, sticker, warning label, user's manual, and a micro USB charging cable. It's made by Viziuuy. Let's get it open. This also has pan, tilt, and digital zoom, 350 degree pan and 90 degree tilt. Here's your surveillance sticker, user's manual, comes with a 12-month warranty, and it looks like it's about 20 pages. Here's your solar panel, looks somewhere between 5 and 7 watts. Comes with a micro USB connection, wall brackets, USB cable, and the camera. 2 templates for each of the mounting hardware. This is for the solar panel, and this is for the camera. Underneath the lens here, we have our micro SD, our power, and our reset button. That's the reset on the left. The micro SD goes there, and your power is there. Let's insert a micro SD. I'm going to use a Samsung 64 gig Evo. Connections face forward. Power connections underneath the bracket. We'll let it charge up fully before installing, of course. So you have to hold the power button for several seconds for it to start. The app that they use on this is called Cloud Edge, which I already have installed. So we're going to add a camera, a battery camera, flashing red. So this is 2.4 gigahertz. It does not have 5 gigahertz. Show the QR code that comes up. Successfully added. Fully charge the camera before use, which we're doing.
Put camera and phone.
Looks good. That's the cheese ball right there. Looks like we're good. Has a siren. So it looks like we're all set. Now we got to install the camera. Put our weatherproof cover back over the SD card, and we'll let that charge up until that light's out. So let's mount this camera. I'm going to replace an older camera that I had hooked up back here.
A few moments later.
Yeah, we got her all hooked up. Let's see how it works on the app. It should reach over here. Although it is pretty far. That was the first camera, and it's a good 100 feet from that camera. Well, let's see what we have for a view. So it's a pretty good distance here, but it is streaming. It says about 62%. 60%. Not getting a great bit rate, but I'm pretty far. Now let's go through the settings. Let's see if we still got some signal. Oh yeah. Now you can pinch zoom, of course. Huh. Barely plays that. I doubt if it'll do 5 megapixel. That's SD. This is 5 megapixel. Oh, there it is. That's 5 megapixel. See when you zoom in. A little better when you zoom in now. Pinch zoom is acting a little wonky. So you have receive alert notifications. You have your installation guide. You can share your device with people. Location management. Work indicator, that's the light on the camera. Time settings, 12 or 24 hour clock. Sound settings, speaker volume, that's if you want microphone, recording, voice, and speaker. Image settings, you can flip the screen if you mount it upside down, but I don't recommend it because then it's not waterproof. Intelligent vision is for nighttime if you want full color always at night, black and white, infrared, or intelligent, which it knows if there's a person it'll go with the light. Alarm management, sensitivity. You can do a power saving mode, performance mode, or custom. You have your alert plan, you set up times that it's going to be recording. I have it so it's 24/7. You could set your alarm area. If you click it, it won't sense motion in that area. Audio warning and light strobe. You could turn that on so if there's any motion, so if it's in a warehouse where no one's supposed to be at a certain time, and you set your time frames to work in that time frame, then it'll set off an alarm and flashing lights for you. You have your battery management. I'm at 100%. Tells you your schematic of charging, which is how to plug it in. Usage statistics. Gives you Wi-Fi strength, all that. Cloud storage services. You get 7 days free, or you can purchase it. This you can have it come on for the Amazon Echo and the Google Home. You can check for a newer version. I am on the newest version. Restart device, delete device. Recording management shows your capacity, how much is remaining, and you can format the card here. And that's about it. That's a pretty far distance. We'll see how it works if I get anything tonight. So I decided to move the camera inside my new carport so I can watch a big old bobcat and a poon boat. And here you go to some night shots. So if you guys are interested in this camera, I'll put a link in below in the description, and also I'll put a discount code if they provide me with one. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.